here. Maybe half of this. Trying to see the line, let it dry a little bit, get a good view of how gray it is. Of course, it always turns darker when it's wet. We'll see how it lasts when it dries up. I'm also going to do this gray part. Part is dry. See the demarcation line here. Looks good. To be determined how long it lasts, but at least for right now, it's brought out the color, the dark color back again. Go a little lower. See the line here. Put some on this tire just to see. I plan on doing them. That's what it looks like without any. That's what it looks like without any. Still a little gray on here. Maybe I didn't put it on thick enough. Tires look good. Fenders look good. The splash guards came out good. The running boards are good. The plastic part. That liner's good. This is good. This didn't come out so great. This one up in here, I put a lot on here. This is okay. Tires okay, same back here. Same on the rear. When you put it on, you have to put it on liberally, it says. And then you come back and buff it out. And so when it goes on, it's very flat. When you wipe it off a little bit, and I don't mind flat, you wipe it off, you'll get a matte color. it's not coming out glossy. Flat or matte are fine for me. And then in the windshield wiper area, the windshield wiper blades came out okay. This is a little blotchy, but I think you just have to put it on really, really thick.